Hi, my name is Matt Gray, and this is my Planning 10 ePortfolio. When I created my ePortfolio, I wanted to show my viewers a little bit about myself in my introductory paragraph. I created 5 unit pages at the top for each module. On my home page, I have a PowerPoint. If you click on the link, all about me. It explains my hobbies and my personality. I personally think my best project was in Unit 2, doing the job seeking project. I'm very fortunate to have this as my current job right now, and I could not be any happier. I like this job the most because it was something that I've always wanted to do in life. During the course, I used a few different programs. I used a Prezi for my career research program. I used a Padlet for my Atkins diet, and also I used another Prezi for my mental health project about depression. I used a PowerPoint for All About Me and eMaze to teach teens how to save money. At first, since I'm not best with computers, I found using these different programs were quite challenging. Once I started to use them more often, it became much easier. Overall, I learned a lot about this course when it comes to money management, jobs, my personality, diets, mental health, and my graduation. Thank you for listening.